Graco changing table with water-resistant changed by Storecraft is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. The Graco Lauren changing table provides a safe and convenient place to change and dress your baby. Two large shelves offer an abundance of space to store baby supplies and other necessities within reach. The Graco Lauren changing table includes a 1-inch vinyl changing pad with safety strap that provides added comfort and security for your baby. The changing table's 4 wheels, 2 locking, allow for easy mobility throughout the home. The Graco Lauren changing table is certified by the Juvenile Products Manufacturers Association, JPMA, and is stringently tested to meet or exceed all applicable Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, and American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, safety standards to ensure the safest product for your child. Beautiful design. The Graco Lauren changing table with drawer has an easily accessible open design that will bring a touch of elegance to any nursery. This easy-to-assemble changing table is the perfect combination of elegant design and practical function. Ample storage. With 2 open shelves to store your diapers, blankets, crib sheets, bags, towels, washcloths, the Lauren changing table provides extra storage you can use even after you're done with diapers. Solid pine wood and composite construction. Comfort and convenience. The Lauren changing table includes a waterproof changing pad and safety strap, plus 4 rollers with 2 locking wheels for added mobility. The sturdy surface keeps your baby safe while 2 shelves provide convenient storage space. Complete bedroom solution. Storecraft manufactures products for the total infant, kids, or teen bedroom solution, including changing tables, dressers, glider rocker chairs, mattresses, beds, and bunk beds from brands like Graco, Thomasville, or Broyhill. Unique quality. For 70 years, Storecraft has been manufacturing quality furniture for infants, toddlers, kids, and teens. Compare the manufacturer's line of innovative products to those from Naomi Home, Da Vinci, Dream on Me, Baby Burn, Union, or American Baby Company.